Welcome to Rustbuster's Installation Guide for Chevy GMC's 1994 to 2004 S10 in Sonoma. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift up your vehicle. With a 19mm socket, remove your wheel. Step 3. Cut off the bump stop located on the bottom of the frame. Grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Paint the part and work area with a weldable primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 4. Our part features a perforated plate that can be removed to fit over your existing bolts. If you decide not to remove the bolts, cut out the perforated plates on the top and bottom of your frame section. Step 5. Slide the part onto the frame and hammer it into place. We recommend C-clamping the part into place for a tight fit. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld the part onto the frame before welding it on fully. Finally, coat the part and work area with a primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. Reinstall your wheel with a 19mm socket. Then you're done!